Good morning! I am Lily, a housewife. There is nothing like a quiet cup of tea to start my day.
This is the best part of the day. So peaceful and quiet.
Today is for organizing. A tidy space makes a tidy mind. Yesterday was for shopping. Today, we put everything in its home.
I like to keep my fruits in the bottom drawer. It keeps them cool and fresh for longer.
I love seeing everything in its place. It makes my kitchen feel brand new.
Everything has a special spot in my fridge. It is easier to find things this way. I love using these glass jars. They make my pantry look so neat.
Pouring the rice into this jar is so satisfying. It feels very clean. I label my jars with the name and the date. It helps me stay organized. My cabinets look so beautiful now. It makes me smile every time I open them. Don't rush. A tidy home is built on small, daily habits, not one big cleaning day.
Now I am going to make lunch for my family. Today I am making a simple, healthy salad with grilled chicken. Making lunch is more than just cooking. It's my way of saying I love you to my family. It's okay if things aren't perfect. A home is for living, not just for cleaning. I love a clean home. You are more important than the housework. Join me as we find the magic, peace, and thrill in every chore.